Finding love is a common concern that many people share. It's natural to worry about whether or not love will come your way, and even if it does, if it will last or be the right fit for you. So, the first piece of advice I would offer is to act in spite of your worries. Taking action is often the best way to address and overcome your concerns. One hurdle you may face is the fear of rejection, which can be paralyzing. To overcome this fear, the best approach is to put yourself in situations where rejection is a possibility. By repeatedly facing rejection, you will gradually become less affected by it. Of course, I understand that this is not an easy task. However, it is important to persevere and not let your worries hold you back. Additionally, it is essential to mix in some successful experiences along the way, which will provide encouragement and motivation. Despite your worries, it is important to put yourself out there. Take the initiative to approach someone and ask for their phone number. Consider creating a profile on a dating site, even if you delay posting it for a week or two. Put effort into presenting yourself in the best possible light, including getting a nice photograph taken. Don't let the fear of being alone for the rest of your life deter you from taking action. Embrace your worries as a natural part of the human experience and focus on making yourself attractive to the people you wish to attract. Now you may be wondering how exactly you will meet the love of your life. This is a question I was frequently asked during my tour, and I struggled to provide a satisfactory answer. In truth, it's a rather nonsensical question. There is no formula or guarantee for finding the perfect partner. However, by following the aforementioned advice, you increase the probability of encountering someone who loves you as much as you love them. And perhaps that will be enough. The reason why asking what you want in a partner is putting the cart before the horse is because it's essential to first consider how you can make yourself into the perfect date. By answering this question, you will naturally discover the qualities that you are seeking in a partner. A good starting point is to reflect on the attributes that women generally desire: cleanliness, good physical shape, healthiness, productivity, generosity, honesty, and the ability to delay gratification. These qualities form a strong foundation for building a successful relationship. When you interact with a woman, it's important to be aware of the patterns happening around you, the patterns of being. This is the musical aspect of the interaction. Can you align yourself gracefully with these patterns? This is what she's evaluating. Can you do it while engaging with her and maintaining a playful and attentive demeanor, while also respecting personal boundaries? It's crucial to exhibit these qualities in a hypothetical dance, both in your imagination and in reality. You may wonder how far you are from embodying these qualities. It can often feel like a daunting and distant ideal. However, the more you work on offering others what they need and want, the more people will be drawn to engage with you. Instead of asking how to find the right partner, the more valuable question is, how can I become the best partner possible? By focusing on becoming the best version of yourself. Jordan Peterson addresses the non-naive objection when it comes to finding a soulmate. The naive person believes that being good will always result in being treated right by others. However, the cynic argues that being good may not necessarily lead to finding a partner. To navigate this dilemma, Peterson advises adopting a combination of traits, being soft as a dove and wise as a serpent. He acknowledges that both individuals are capable of deceit and manipulation, but encourages genuine trust and vulnerability. By extending a hand in trust, even to someone who may be full of snakes, one can evoke the best in them. Peterson explains that our eyes, with their visible whites, have evolved this way so that we can observe where others are looking. This act of observing enables us to understand their values and intentions. Moreover, Peterson explains that seeing where someone is directing their gaze allows us to mimic their body language and integrate ourselves into their rhythm. This concept can also be observed in music, as musicians coordinate their movements to hit the same notes in unison. When the musicians synchronize their actions, the music becomes harmonious and pleasing to the ear. Peterson notes that this idea extends beyond music and applies to interpersonal relationships as well. Peterson acknowledges that physical attractiveness can give women an advantage in the female dominance hierarchy. However, he emphasizes that true compatibility transcends mere physical beauty. He notes that a woman's wit, intelligence, adventurousness, and courage are the qualities that truly attract her to a partner. Peterson delves into the topic of the types of men women are often drawn to. He mentions that, unfortunately, young women are more likely to be attracted to men with psychopathic tendencies, also known as the dark triad. He suggests that this attraction could explain how psychopathy continues to perpetuate across generations. However, Peterson stresses that a mature and wise woman would not fall for such individuals. Instead, she would choose a partner with potential, even if he appears rough and imperfect like the beast archetype. The beast represents an individual with untapped potential for growth. This person may be rough around the edges, but possesses qualities that make him attractive to a woman seeking a partner. According to Peterson, women desire someone who can protect them and create a safe environment for their future children. Simultaneously, they want a man who is productive and generous enough to share in the responsibilities of building a life together. Peterson refers to this process as the civilizing of the man, which he believes is embedded in the female hero myth. Drawing from his own experiences, Peterson understands the feelings of rejection and fear that can arise from failed attempts at dating. However, he points out that men must consider what they expect from women. If they are not finding success, it may be necessary to examine their appearance, their level of education, and if they possess genuine qualities, such as honesty. Peterson also raises the issue of pornography, seeing it as a hindrance to personal growth and motivation in seeking a meaningful relationship. Peterson encourages men to reflect on their actions and question how many women they have actually approached. He suggests that individuals may be unintentionally pursuing relationships with women who are likely to reject them, possibly due to aiming out of their league. Drawing from his experience as a clinician, Peterson shares that he has encountered many men who struggled with attracting women and even had extreme fears of interacting with them. Expanding on the issue of pornography, Peterson describes it as a significant problem and a hindrance to success in relationships. He views it as an easy escape that derails motivation and personal development. In order to increase the chances of being successful with women, it is crucial to address and overcome any reliance on pornography.